In today's video, I'm going to help you choose between QuickBooks and Xero so you can confidently decide which accounting software is right for your business. If you're starting a new business, switching accounting tools, or just comparing options, this guide will break everything down in a simple, practical way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more software comparison tutorials. Let's start with the big picture difference between Xero and QuickBooks. Both are powerful accounting platforms, but they're designed with slightly different users in mind. You should choose Xero if you want a simple, clean, modern interface, if you mostly work online, or if your business is based outside the United States. On the other hand, you should choose QuickBooks if you need deep US tax features, more complex inventory management, or if you prefer having an offline desktop option available. Now let's go deeper with a side-by-side comparison so you can clearly see how they stack up. First, ease of use. Xero is widely known for being simpler and more intuitive. The dashboard is clean, navigation feels modern, and it's generally easier for beginners to pick up. QuickBooks, especially QuickBooks Online, offers more built-in features, but that also means there's a steeper learning curve. If you want straightforward and minimal, Xero has the edge. If you want depth and don't mind learning the system, QuickBooks may be better. Next, pricing. Xero offers flat monthly plans, which makes budgeting predictable. QuickBooks uses tiered plans, and as you add more features like advanced reporting, inventory, or payroll, the cost can increase. So if keeping pricing simple is important to you, Xero might feel more transparent. But if you're willing to pay more for advanced tools, QuickBooks gives you that flexibility. Let's talk about bank feeds. Xero has excellent global bank feed integrations and works very well internationally. QuickBooks is especially strong with US banks and financial institutions, so if your business operates primarily in the US, QuickBooks has a slight advantage. If you operate internationally, Xero may integrate more smoothly. When it comes to mobile apps, both platforms offer solid mobile experiences. Xero's app is considered great and very user-friendly. QuickBooks mobile app is also good and allows invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting on the go. You really can't go wrong here, but Xero tends to feel slightly more streamlined. Now, inventory. This is a major decision factor. Xero offers basic inventory tracking, which works fine for small businesses with simple needs. However, QuickBooks, especially QuickBooks Online Plus or the desktop version, offers more advanced inventory management. If you deal with large product catalogs, purchase orders, or complex stock tracking, QuickBooks is likely the better choice. Payroll is another key difference. QuickBooks offers built-in payroll through QuickBooks Payroll, which is especially useful for US businesses. Xero typically relies on add-ons or third-party integrations for payroll, depending on your country. So if integrated payroll is important and you're in the US, QuickBooks has an advantage. Let's also look at accountants and multi-currency features. QuickBooks is dominant in the United States, meaning many US accountants prefer or specialize in it. Outside the US, Xero is often preferred by accounting professionals. As for multi-currency, Xero includes multi-currency support in its plans, while QuickBooks only includes it in higher-tier plans. If you invoice clients in different currencies, that's something important to consider. So how do you make the final decision? If you want simplicity, international flexibility, and a clean interface, go with Xero. If you need strong US tax features, advanced inventory, built-in payroll, or deeper functionality, QuickBooks is probably the better fit. Take a moment to think about your business size, location, growth plans, and complexity. The right choice depends on your specific needs, not just popularity. If this comparison helped you choose between QuickBooks and Xero, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth software guides and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.